Drivin Ivan here, checking out a beautiful Mercedes Sedan. Just to get a hold of this one. 250S. Beautiful. Love the color. It's a light top there, kind of a white, maybe a little off-white, a little blue in it to match the blue of the car, the white wall tires, the blue hubcaps. Really reminds me of my 450 SL, my current one, 2 shades of blue. I've had 3. Check out all of my Mercedes reviews, classic Mercedes reviews. This one is incredible. Really, really nice, kind of a timepiece. I think they just had the body done, perhaps. And that MB-Tech's interior is just so good. This is from the 70s. Look at other classic cars from the 70s and see if the interior holds up this well. The answer is no. Mercedes-Benz has that MB-Tech's, and it's just awesome. The big steering wheel with the horn and cool old gauges. Man, this thing is just really, really awesome. But there you have it. If you like old Mercedes, then definitely check out my reviews. I have a 450 SL review of a silver one that really has a history of the Mercedes SL, and also have another I think it's a 380 SL review, and then my current 450 SL, which is blue on blue, aqua blue on blue. It kind of reminds me of this color a little bit, although it's darker, more of a royal blue. Absolutely beautiful. Just missing the emblem here, but it has that huge Mercedes grille and huge steering wheel to match. There you have it. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Check out all of my other videos. Just Google Drivin Ivan in your favorite car. And check out my literal video for Chris Isaac's Wicked Game, my music videos, and disc golf videos as well, along with some documentaries out there. Thanks for watching. I'm Drivin Ivan.